Man, stop killing yourselves. I am Matthew Bartolo, and today during Unfiltered Therapy I'm going to share some of my thoughts that I garnered in the last 14 years working with men especially. If you're feeling down, if you're thinking of killing yourself, I invite you to take stock. Take stock of what you're feeding your brain. What kind of chemicals, what kind of substances are you feeding your brain? What kind of relationships and self-talk and feedback from the people around you are you feeding your brain? Are you in toxic relationships? Do you have mates who are making you feel bad about yourself or about life? Are they the kind of guys who are always complaining? What are you feeding your brain through your choice of videos that you follow on TikTok, social media, Instagram? Are they videos that empower you and make you want to be a better man, or are they videos that will make you feel bad about yourself? It is your choice to take stock of what you're surrounding yourself with, what you're feeding your brain to make yourself feel better. It's also your job to take stock of what you're feeding your body as well. What kind of hormones you're injecting yourself with? What kind of food are you eating? Is it food that makes you feel better in the long term or better in the short term? Are you engaging in sports to make yourself feel better, to release the hormones that will make you feel better? Are you strong? Are you a strong man? A strong man is someone who knows that they're struggling and that they look for help, be it their mates, be it their professionals. A strong man is not someone who does not go through shit in life. It's not someone who doesn't feel sad, who doesn't feel disheartened. A strong man is one who feels all of the above, yet chooses to fight. So please do take care of yourself. We do need you. There are people who need you. And in order for us to have you here for longer, you need to take stock of your life and make sure that you are doing what is right for you. Thank you.